Okay, so I probably won't post the last video because I pretty much chickened out when I was right by the road. That's okay. I have my Xbox now, and I'm about to put it in the middle of the road after this green car and after the burgundy car. Putting it down right now. Yep, I did it. I'm not going to look back yet. I can't do it. It's humiliating. People are passing it. That's awesome. But now we shall sit here and wait for someone to run it over. Run it over. No? Run it over. There it is. That lady, don't do it. Don't do it.